Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge, and we are on week 7. Alright, and our prompts for today is something that squeaks or honks. I'm going to use this goose. A cake. I've got this kind of a die cut thing of a wedding cake. We've got a pair of something, and we've got this couple, and she's got shoes, so we've got a pair of shoes and we've got a couple. A math symbol. We've got this 9 minus 3. Something torn. I'm not sure what I'm going to use for that, but we'll figure out something. I may tear my bonus, which is pattern paper. So I hope you'll enjoy this video. Be sure and check out Margarete's channel. I'll have it listed in my description box down below. And be sure and check out the hashtag 2023CWP7 to see what everyone else has made. There's some very, very talented people participating. So without further ado, let's get started. Well, here's my finished collage. Let's see if we've got everything. Something that squeaks or honks. We've got the goose. A cake. Got the wedding cake. A pair of something. We've got this couple. And we've got her shoes. Something torn. I've gotten the torn pattern paper, which is our bonus. And I've got some torn washi tape as well. A math symbol. Got the 9 minus 3. And bonus paper pattern, like I said. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag 2023CWP7 to see what everyone else has made. So y'all have a great and wonderful week, and until next time, bye y'all.